Okay, question number 8. Water flows out of a cylindrical tank at a constant rate. The graph shows how the depth of water in the tank varies with time. And we're given the graph here below. Work out the gradient of the straight line. And part B asks us to write down a practical implication of the graph. So let's look at that. Water flows out of a cylindrical tank. So the important thing to note, both from the words and from the graph, is that the depth is decreasing over time. Okay, so the depth is reducing as time increases. This depth goes down as the time increases. So our gradient is negative. We've got a negative gradient. You can see straight away from the slope of the line it's going down. Okay. Now we need to find for every 1 hour of time what the change in the depth is. So for every 1 hour of time that we go across, so I'm going to go from 0 to 1. So from here I'm going to come across to there, every 1 hour of time. As I come down 1 hour, okay, so for every 1 hour on the graph, I go down. I've got to work out what every 1 square is. So 10 squares here from 0 to 10. 10 squares equals 10. So 1 square equals 1. So let's count up here from 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that value there, where my 1 hour value comes across and cuts, is 36. So in 1 hour, the water reduces by 4 centimetres. Okay, it's going down 4 centimetres. So in terms of my change, it's going from 40 down to 36. So minus 4, and across is going from 0 to 1 is plus 1. So my gradient is my difference in my y value divided by my difference in my x value. So the gradient is equal to the difference in the y divided by the difference in the x, which is equal to minus 4 divided by 1, which is minus 4, and that is my gradient. The practical application they're wanting us to write down is that actually, just as we worked out to help us work out gradient, is that in 1 hour the water reduces by 4 centimetres.